Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, how Tana, Samna, Fatiha, Hadi. Now it's a Monday, Hadi. Going where the it's there? Yeah, show that also. Oh yeah. Ishan, are
Hi,
you there?
ma'am.
Hi, good morning. Fatiha, Ishan. Turn on your camera, please. Yes.
Ma'am,
How was your weekend? Good?
it was good.
Okay. So Hadi, just make a spin the wheel for the class
Yeah,
leadership.
I'm gonna be the class leader. I have to be the class leader.
Ishan, Fatiha, are you there?
Please, can I be the class leader?
The camera is not on.
Not working? Okay. Ishan, what about you, dear? Please switch on your camera, please, Ishan. I think you can cut some of the students' names. I think Amna already uh,
Yeah, I've already been.
uh
And
Amna,
Fatima were also.
Fatiha, and Ishan also.
Yes, then I have a bigger chance to be the class
Okay.
leader.
Ah, yeah. Now you can spell it.
Please, 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 please. Remember, up to who's last then? Who's last?
Yeah, who's last that?
Okay, please. Hadi, you never know. I didn't.
Hmm?
I'm never gonna be the class leader.
So, ma'am, I've been setting
Imran isn't removed. I forgot to remove my name.
I forgot my password, so I was checking in my phone.
Okay.
And when is
Competition?
the
I'm gonna
magazine
be
date?
the class leader. Class
2080, the
leader.
last
Class
day.
leader.
Ibrahim wins.
So Ibrahim is the class leader. When he
No,
enters the
I
when
just
he
want to
join,
be
you
the.
just let him notice. Okay.
Oh.
Yes, magazine date is that last is May 28th. So all of
Ma'am,
May
you start your
28.
work for the magazine. So I need to get your articles on that 28th May. Okay.
ma'am,
What?
Yeah, this month 28th is the last date for your
ma'am,
articles. Yes.
So I had to send it
You have to send me.
in the
ma'am, can
classroom.
Not classroom. You can send me through the
WhatsApp.
yeah, WhatsApp.
Okay.
Or you can mail me also. Once you
ma'am,
done that, you just let me know.
ma'am,
I'll
Can I
share
do
it.
it
Ma'am,
before that
ma'am,
date?
ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
of
Before
ma'am,
course.
today?
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Imran,
ma'am.
tell me what.
Can I not be in any of the competitions?
It's okay.
Can I not be in any of the competitions?
Yes.
So I'm not in any of the competitions.
Tanas?
Can-
Yes, Tanas.
ma'am, I am writing poem and riddles related to the school.
Oh, okay, okay. We can do both. Okay.
And it's a magazine, no? And I will send it tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. Hadi?
The magazine, I'll send it before
Ma'am, I
today,
want to be the
like
class
tomorrow, after tomorrow,
leader.
like that. Because I don't think I could send it at today.
Okay, today it's not mandatory. Okay, you have a
Yeah.
time. Take your time, prepare well, write well, and ready for that. Okay.
Okay. Is it small? It's a small sentence, like small. It's a story about a boy.
Anything you can do. How do I say this?
Okay.
It's better to make your own works, articles. Okay. Really
Okay.
avoid putting the chat GPT works or AI works.
Ma'am,
Make your own. You can take a help from that, but not completely copy from there. Okay. Yes, Imna.
ma'am, when is the mini master chef again?
Minimashes.
Wednesday.
I think it's Wednesday.
It is on this Wednesday.
Ma'am, can I not be any of the competitions? Ma'am, can I not be any of the
That I
competitions?
already said, dear.
You
Don't.
just said it right
So,
now
so
that
I
you don't want
can't.
to join.
Mini Master Chef is at May 20th. That means tomorrow,
May 20 means Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And Little and Star competition is June 3rd.
I'm not
For the
joining
Mini
that.
Master competition, who are participating? Tana, Samna,
Me,
Fatiha, Ishan, Hadi.
I'm only joining the mini master shop.
Okay.
I'm not joining any other.
You just made it. It is a salad, Hadi.
But ma'am, can I not be? Ma'am, can I not be any of the competitions because I don't want to do it?
Okay, you don't want to participate that in that. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't ask again the same question.
At Wednesday, we don't have any classes because of the competition.
No, no, no. You have a class, but the time will inform you later. That time, the class will suspend it. Okay.
Why? We had to do the competition and we had to go to class.
It's only
Oh,
1 hour, one and a half an hour. Okay, anything else?
no. I
Brian
don't
has
think.
answered.
Let me check my.
Yeah, the message shared in the WhatsApp group also for the School magazine. You can write, create, inspire. Deadline is 28 May. Yeah. How to submit? Share the work with your class teacher and share it. Okay. After sharing, you have to inform me that. Yeah, share. The articles are like you can include essays, poems, short stories, riddles, and many more. Okay. Anything else?